everybody, I'm Corinne Blackstone and welcome to my craft room. I am so excited to have you here today. Before we get started, be sure to check out my exclusive Facebook group listed down below. I'd love to have you join. We have a lot of fun over there and it's a great place to ask your questions, show off your crafts. There's so many knowledgeable people and I just would love to be able to see everything that you guys are making and working on. Now in today's video, I'm going to take you into the Starcraft Create software and I'm going to show you how to take a single layered JPG multicolored image and turn it into your very own layered SVG by using the trace function in the Starcraft Create software. I'm so excited to finally be able to show this to you, and we're going to start doing some more Starcraft solo content, but don't worry, we're not leaving the CRICUT behind. We still love our CRICUT, but I did want to be able to show you guys a few functions of the Starcraft solo, so let's head over to the Create software and get started.
Whatever we would do, we do it just for fun.
So to trace an image in StarCraft Create, you're going to need to do a couple things. So the first one is to make sure that you have a transparent background for your PNG. I do recommend using a PNG, but I'll show you guys really quick how to remove a background if you have one on your PNG. I like to use the website Removebg. It's super easy, really quick. So all you'll need to do is click Upload Image. You'll just want to find whatever image you want. I'm just going to choose a random one. This isn't the one that we're using, but it's going to give you an idea of how this works. So all you simply have to do is just click Download and you'll have your image ready to go. So we'll just call it Mulan Removebg and click Save. Now all we need to do is go over to the Starcraft Create software. So that was just to show you how to remove the background off of an image, but we're going to actually use a stitch just because I like the image better to show you how to work with it. So what you're going to do is right up here at the top, you'll see this little curved line and the straight line in these boxes. That's your trace image option. Click on that and click Choose Image. Now, like I said, I'm going to use this little stitch that I have. So let me scroll down and find him. He's kind of down here somewhere. There he is. This little stitch is perfect. So we'll go ahead and choose this little guy. So we're going to use the single color option. This is a great option if you want to do these designs. So it's super easy. What you're going to do is where it says mode, make sure it says single color. And then down here where it says prompt to continue tracing, select that. Double click on this black box and you're going to choose a color on your image to trace. I like to just start at the top and work my way down. So the pink is the highest color and we're going to go ahead and select that and click OK. It's going to prompt us and ask if we'd like to continue tracing to add more colors. Yes. So double click on the pink box and I'm going to choose this blue. Click OK. Again, I want to trace more colors. I'm going to select the next color being this white. Click OK. Yes. And you're just going to do that for each of the colors of your design. So you're going to want to just make sure that you're selecting each color individually, double clicking the box, selecting the color. Let's make sure we get his tongue. Click OK. Yes, I want to keep going. I think I've got one more color and then I need to do our black outline. So I want to make sure I select this bright blue of his belly and click OK. And then yes. So now what I want to do is what I want to select down here is the output settings. I'm going to select the blackout output. I'm going to double click this colored box and then I want to select all of the black. I'm going to go ahead and click OK, and this time we can go ahead and choose no. Now it is going to look a little bit crazy. You see how kind of I put my cursor over it and he kind of looks scary. Don't worry, he's totally layered, but you need to come over to your layers panel and pull this layer panel information down. Then right click on him and ungroup. Now you'll see that when you pull him off that you have all of your colors. It's just the way that it's layered in the design. It just puts the black on top. Much like in CRICUT Design Space, you can just drag this layer all the way down under all the rest of them, and then you'll be able to put it behind the design so you can get a better look at what it's going to look like. But let's go ahead and pull our colors apart so that you guys can really see kind of all of the parts and pieces that we created. So there are his pink ears. We also have here his main blue for his body. Then we have the whites of his eyes, which are hard to see unless you put them on top of some other color, so I'll throw them over on the black. We have the blue nose and his little claws. We also have his bright blue and then the light pink for his tongue. So that's how you can trace an image. It's really easy to do. Just make sure that it does have a transparent background when you're doing this because it will work best for you. You'll want to play around with it, get used to it, and kind of learn how to work with the trace image option in your Create software. Just play around, start seeing what works best for you and how you do it. I definitely had to play around with this for a while before I kind of got used to all the buttons that I needed to press. And don't worry, just try different settings, try different buttons. You can't break this. If you mess something up, you can always undo it or just start over. If you guys have any questions about this or anything else with the Create software, please let me know in those comments down below. I love to answer the questions that I can for you guys, and if I don't know the answer, I will find someone who does. I hope you guys had fun learning how to trace a multicolored image to make your own layered SVG here in the Starcraft Create software. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and as always, happy crafting.